The love of true wireless earbuds is all the craze and norm, but the biggest pain point still tends to be the guessing game of how comfortable or even flexible the fit will be to your ears, which we all know makes a huge difference to your listening experience, especially when you want to actually stay locked in for hours listening to your favorite music, videos, movies, podcasts, or even phone calls. If there's one brand that's always one step ahead with a solution to your audio listening experience, then it's Soundcore. And this situation is no different. Meet Soundcore's AeroClip, their open-ear clip-on true wireless earbuds, and I'm telling you, these have been awesome. Among so many things we're going to touch on, Soundcore have focused on 4 key areas that make the AeroClip special, which are the innovative, flexible open ring design, the ultra comfort design for audio use, their AI-enhanced clear calls using 4 built-in microphones, Soundcore's unparalleled signature open ear sound with rich bass, and their easy tap control system, which is also customizable through their official Soundcore app for iOS and Android. These unique selling points just about scratch the surface for just how good the listening experience is for the AeroClips, and considering these are open ear based earbuds, Soundcore have really worked their magic here, and the audio experience will shock you just like it did me for just how good it is. But first, let's start from the outside and work our way in with the unboxing and what you actually get inside. From what I've been told, the AeroClip will retail at an MSRP of £129.99 here in the UK and will be available in 3 different colors, which are the rosy brown, champagne mist, and the one I have here, which is the midnight color. The unboxing is nice, simple, and straightforward. At the front, you have a render image and the color of the AeroClip with the Soundcore branding, an indicator of the battery life, AI clear calls, and also the IPX4 rating against sweat and splashes, which does indicate the AeroClip are great potential fit for those who work out. On the left side of the box indicates more core features such as the 12mm dynamic drivers, full surface tap control, fast charging over USB-C with 10 minutes charge, giving you up to 3 hours of listening time, and multi-point connection. At the back of the box shows a what's in the box at the top right, a render illustration of the attachable durable ear grips on the bottom right, and an overview of the core features like the AeroClip has, such as the clear calls with AI enhancements with 4 microphones, 12mm dynamic drivers, and also that is something that gives balanced sound, full surface tap control, and attachable ear grips. And last, on the right side of the box shows the adaptive comfort fit of the AeroClip. Using the pull tabs, which make it nice and easy to get inside, you're first greeted with the paperwork with the usual instructions of how to use the AeroClip with the included accessories. You're then greeted with the earbuds in the charging case with the changeable ear grips and the USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. The ear grips come in 2 sets, in the medium and large size, so depending on the fit and the comfort level you need, these should work well. And if unsure how to fit them, there is a QR code which takes you to a video instruction on how to fit them alongside the included instruction manual that comes inside the box. Now for the main star of the show. When you first open the AeroClips and take them out of the charging case, there will be some protective covers underneath them between the contact points for charging the earbuds, so be sure to remove them. What's great is that there is a clear indication of the right and the left side of the earbuds, both on the case and also on the earbuds themselves, with the blue color indicated for the right side and the dark gray to the left side, making it very easy and straightforward to place them away. At the back is the USB-C port, and also that's used for charging, and the pairing button. At the top is the Soundcore logo, and again, inside the case is a bright light indicator which will flash for different situations like charging and pairing. Now the unboxing is out of the way, I really like the design of the AeroClips. They're not just lightweight, but the materials used are really strong, flexible, durable, and I very much appreciate the matte finish to the hook design and touch surface, which basically removes any chance of fingerprints on the earbuds. This is all down to the innovative, flexible open ring design, which is joint and crafted with a 0.5mm memory titanium wire and soft TPU, which is made in mind to fit all ear sizes and distributes pressure evenly, and is rated up to 20,000 bends while still staying in shape, as Soundcore actually states in their control testing. This design choice aids to the ultra comfort design, which is perfect for all-day use And this is really down to the 37% smaller acoustic chamber, which alleviates in-ear pressure and discomfort. Now, the rear section also features an ergonomic 5-degree curve design, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. And what's nice is that the materials being used are nice and skin-friendly and really feel great, gentle, and soft to the touch, which is just the nice intangibles that make all the difference. For the fit and comfort of the AeroClips, this is definitely the highlight of making them great to use. The unique open ring design allows you to have a level of adjustability when wearing them on your ears that makes such a difference, especially for the fact that they are open ear style earbuds. This is the main benefit they bring. It's actually advised that you put the earbuds onto the thinnest point of the outer edge of your ears, and then you adjust them for optimal audio experience when it comes to the performance while listening. And of course, if the fit feels loose, then you can either use the medium or the large attachable ear grips depending on what you need. Aside from the comfort and fit, the AeroClip is great. They stay snug and secure with minimal to no movement in normal use, and even when exercising, which usually for me is at home on my exercise spin bike. For all that makes the fit, comfort, and design great about any earbuds, especially in the case of the AeroClip, it counts for absolutely almost nothing if the sound, audio, and listening experience is not up to standard. And this is where, like I said before, Soundcore have worked their magic to ensure a great listening experience and a level of control that makes the audio on the AeroClip a cut above the rest, especially at this price point. The backbone of the excellent sound quality for this open ear style earbuds is definitely down to the 12mm dynamic drivers, which are using a coated titanium back with dual magnetic units, which really allow a clear but punchy low end while maintaining a natural sound across all frequencies, ensuring in-ear level quality at the highest level possible. The next part is Soundcore's virtual bass technology, which is definitely the difference maker to an enhanced bass sound, which redefines the open ear listening experience, especially in relation to good bass, and it does this while maintaining a clear audio without sacrificing bass depth. Now, the only thing I would say you need to set your expectation for when it comes to these open ear style earbuds is the lack of active noise cancellation, ANC. And that really shouldn't come as a surprise, since they are not designed to be plugged deep in ear for absolute sound isolation. These are more for those who value the absolute most comfortable wearing experience with the ability to have sound from their environment while still having a top tier audio experience. Another thing I really appreciate about the AeroClip are just how good they are for voice calls, and this is all thanks to the 4 beamforming microphones with wind blocking meshes and advanced AI algorithm, which ensures your voice is nice and clear on call thanks to the AI boosted clear calls feature. Wrapping things up is the Soundcore app, the features with the controls it brings, and also the touch controls with the battery life. The Soundcore app works both for iOS and Android. The app is straightforward and very easy to use. It shows you the battery status for both earbuds and the charging case. You can disable the tap tone and low battery prompt in the settings. Change the auto power off feature from between 30 to 120 minutes or never power off, and update the firmware to new versions when they're available. The app also allows you to change the double tap and triple tap controls individually for the right and left earbuds, with 6 options between play and pause, skip track, volume, and also voice assistant like Siri. And you can actually completely have this off if needed. The app, with support from the AeroClips Bluetooth 5.4, allows dual connections to 2 devices at the same time, which is something you can enable or disable. There is also a Find My Device feature for each earbuds, which sounds a loud continuous beep alarm. So definitely use this when you are not wearing it, because the alarm it rings is impressively loud, I must say. The best part of the application has got to be the sound effects section, which opens up options to 6 preset EQs, which are Soundcore signature profile, bass booster, volume booster, classical, podcast, and treble booster. The app takes it a step further by allowing you to set your own custom EQs to tailor make the sound experience to exactly how you want. And by the looks of it, it seems like you can set what feels like an infinite amount of custom EQs, and that is actually something that you can change and modify to your liking. This is a level of both control and simplicity I rock with, and I have to say Soundcore have done a great job here for sure. Soundcore rates the battery life on the AeroClip at a total of 32 hours with the charging case, with 8 hours per charge on the earbuds, with the additional 24 hours from the charging case, and as previously stated, 10 minutes of charge gives you up to 3 hours of listening time. If you're looking to get the Soundcore AeroClip for yourself, then check and click the links in the description below for where you can get them from Amazon and or from soundcore.com directly. And thank you to Soundcore for sponsoring this video.